it so much. Okay, yes.
Adivina, adivinanza, fortuna vengono muoio man, come sia fuori a voi, anche le favole di dan, ambo, te, chachu, hanno tocche, chachu, hanno tocche, chachu.
Je devrais pas mais j'avoue j'ai la haine. En fait elle m'attire, comment lui dire, une histoire d'amour peut attirer en lui. Ma bella, aïe 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 aïe. Mon cœur va chez là pour toi ma bella. Aïe 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 aïe. Ma bella, aïe 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 aïe. Donne-moi un sourire, un regard ou un petit câlin.
Yes, I changed my name. My name going to be Divanyhair because too much diva, too much flowers, too much shakara, demasiado presumida, and hair, always with new hair, girl. Okay, not going to talk much. You know what you're coming for. You come to this wig. This wig is popping, very full. I don't have no negative about this. Oh, yes, the only thing is that the part is not half lace, but girl, it look gorgeous for this price. For this price is super gorgeous, affordable. You see, like, hello, see that curls, what's this? Synthetic wig. Oh my goodness, girls, go and put your hands on this wig. You need to do it. Don't sleep on this wig, okay? Don't sleep, okay? This wig is from Divanyhair in AliExpress. Yes, Divanyhair in AliExpress. I will leave Divanyhair star down below. The link directly of this wig down below. This wig have two combs, adjustable straps, and yeah, it don't have lace, but it looks popping. I will leave you like very short clip how I install it and how it come. I don't do nothing. I not do nothing to this wig. You like my contacts, right? Yes, the name of this contact lenses is Cherry from ColorSheet.com. Wow, I miss this. From ColorSheet.com, my discount code is JK10 for you to have 10% off. And for $15, but if you use my discount code, you will have it for this price. So yeah, go. I will leave these contact lenses link down below, okay, Cherry? And you have more contacts. You have more gray, blue, maroon, brown. So go and take it out, okay? So that is all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe here. This red button you're going to see down below. Subscribe, comment, and don't forget to click the bell so you will be notified when I upload new video, okay? So yeah, girls, good hair speak more louder than words. Esa es mi hermana. Good hair speak more louder than words, okay? Bye. Os eché de menos. El drama empieza. kama chuturu